Okay, great. I hope you guys learned a little bit about how to get solo ad traffic and how to get laser targeted visitors right to your page. Now, on this video, I'm going to actually teach you guys a way to build a capture page. I'm going to actually teach you guys. Now, what is a capture page exactly? The capture page is a place where you guys want to send your solo ad traffic to. Now, usually on a capture page, you give something away of value. You give something away of value to your subscribers. So, in exchange for you giving away something of value, all you need to do is ask for their email address. Once you have your email address, in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to automate this whole process that follows up with them, even while you're sleeping. So, your capture page, you have your solo ad traffic, solo ads that are going straight to your capture page. Pretty simple, right? Not very complicated at all. So, you guys purchase your solo ad, you drive into a capture page. Now, how do you get these capture pages built? Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys right now. How I get these pages built, the program that I use, and how to get these things set up quick. You guys can build as many of them as you want as quick as possible. And we're going to get started on that right now. I want to welcome you guys to this training video on where I'm going to walk you guys exactly how you can set up these capture pages quickly, easily. You don't have to worry about, all the crazy technical codes or being a web designer. These pages are already made. They're sleek and they get results like big time. I'm going to walk you guys through actually a site so you guys know what a capture page is. This is a site that I promote, and it's called workwithcorn.com. And what you see here is a prime example of a capture page. And as you can see, it is looking for an email address down here. This is what I'm going after, is their email address. Now, these capture pages are what you want to send your traffic to when you start purchasing your traffic in the solo ad training that I just taught you in the video before. And if you haven't watched that video, I want to recommend that you guys definitely go back and watch the video and actually do it. Actually start getting traffic to you guys to these pages. Now, it seems like a lot of in the industry, a lot of the people, a lot of the trainers, a lot of the gurus, what they teach is to find a product and to just drive traffic straight to the product. I will guarantee you that that is the surest way to lose a whole bunch of money in your marketing. If you're not capturing your traffic, then you are making a huge financial mistake and you are wasting tons and tons of money, because all the people that you don't capture, that you will never ever again be able to follow up with them. Now, if you do capture them, in the next video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you guys can automate this whole selling process to make selling of your products easy and fun, and to where you actually want to do it. But the first thing we want to get out of the way is, how do we actually capture the traffic? How do we build these pages? See, this is a very, very high converting page. This page actually converts at about 40% of every visitor that I send to it will actually enter their email address. And what you can see here is free. The big idea: it takes the internet by storm, allowing average, ordinary people to go from zero to over $5,000 a month faster than anything else in the history of marketing. Now, when you have capture pages, you want to understand that you have to capture their attention. And if you don't capture their attention with very, very clear and definite outcomes, then you will lose them. They will leave your page. They will leave your page, and you'll never see them again. Because that is how the internet is. There's so much stuff going on in between Facebook and in between people's email accounts. It's hard to capture their attention. They're browsing, they're clicking around. So if you can capture their attention right away with free, you see $5,000 a month actually pops, and it gets people's attention. Very, very clear outcomes. I've used many different capture page services, but this is by far one of the best and easiest ways to get people, to get these capture pages built. Now, if you go to this website, it's called the Big Idea Mastermind, and just go to the bigideamastermind.com. I'll actually log out and log back in so you guys can see this website here. So go to the bigideamastermind.com. Now, I actually have a membership, and you guys want to get a membership. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, I don't know about getting a membership. Well, the thing is that you have to spend a little bit of money on all of the products that I've actually tested out for capture pages. As far as ease of use, the money that you're going to spend to invest in this capture page resource is actually minimal, because it's going to be an asset for you, and you're going to be able to knock these pages out in whatever, it doesn't matter what it is. See, as you saw in this page here, that this is generic. This is a generic page, and you guys can switch it around and make it whatever you want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and log back in here to my account and show you guys exactly, once you guys set up your membership, what you'll be able to do inside of the Big Idea Mastermind. And Big Idea Mastermind is actually connected with the Empower Network, but this is a group inside of the Empower Network that it's its own entity, and it's its own thing separate from the Empower Network. So so if you go in here inside the Big Idea Mastermind, you don't want to pay attention to all this other stuff, because there are some other benefits of actually being a member of the Big Idea Mastermind. But right now, what you want to focus on is having the Easy Landing Page Pro is what I use to create these pages. And what you do is, they have a standard version, they have a new style. I'll show you another page. I'll show you a page on each version. The page that I just showed you is actually the standard version. And as you can see, when you log in here, you'll see all these styles of pages. And what you do is, I'm going to actually go and edit the page that you guys just looked at here. So you get in here and you enter all your hosting and FTP details. Don't worry about what all this stuff means, because it's not going to matter once you guys join. You guys will have all the training videos on how to actually set up your hosting, which is really, really simple. So if you can see here, all the different designs that they have for landing pages. Now, the ones on the bottom here, these are all videos. So if I wanted to put a video inside of my capture page, I would shoot a video saying, hey, thanks for stopping by my page, and I have this information that I think you guys are really, really going to enjoy, and how on the other side of this page, if you enter your name and email, then obviously, but all these pages are all about capturing their email address, and they're all clean. Like right now, I can actually change. I'll show you how easy it is to actually change your capture page in this thing. So if I actually copy this title here, and I want to make a different layout of this page, this workwithcorn.com page, then all I do is I copy that, and I go to text TPL. This is a different layout. Begin, step 1, step 2, and step 3. If I want that page to be on the front, I'll just click it right here. I'll hit next inside, and I just literally delete. Actually, it's the same headline. Anyway, so all I do is click delete. I enter in the headline that you can see. This is the same exact headline on the Work with Corn squeeze page. So I enter in this headline into this template, and I hit next. Step 5, opt-in page. I can put download free now. I can put get free access, depending on what it is that you're doing. Get instant access, download free report, sign up for free. Um, I usually click get free access. Doesn't really matter what which one you guys use. It depends on what exactly you're giving away. So down here, the button can say watch video, get free report, sign up now, instant access, download now. So in my case, it's a video that I'm sending them to. So I'll put watch video. And this middle part here is HTML autoresponder code. This is a code that I'm going to actually show you guys how to get on in the next training video. Right now, I just want to show you how easy it is to set these pages up. And the autoresponder code is what's going to actually put them into a follow-up series, which is going to automate the process. So I'll just briefly describe it. Once you enter this autoresponder code here from your email autoresponder, which we're going to go through, this code that you enter in your autoresponder service lets your autoresponder service know that this person just opted in for information on whatever it is that you guys are giving away for free. And it automatically causes a series of emails to go out on your behalf, which is the whole process of making your life simple and automating the process. So right here, if you click next, you go to the next page. You can put a privacy policy if you want to. You can put an earnings disclaimer, terms of service. Those are the things at the bottom of the page. And it looks like I actually don't have all those things. But let's say I wanted to put them on. I would just put some text here. Earnings disclaimer, I'll put some text here. Terms of service, put some text here. Contacts us, put your information here. But I like the simplicity of just kind of the layout of getting their email address and moving on. And there's an option for tracking and analytics code. That's if you want to have multiple pages, you can put different analytics code on the pages to where you can see exactly what solo ad provider the traffic is coming from. So I'm going to go ahead and click next, and we'll see all those tabs pop up on the new page here. Name your landing page. I just put whatever name in here that you want, so you'll know which one it is. You click save, but it's done. They're saving the page right now, and it's that easy to create a landing page. So if we go back to workwithcorn.com, hit enter, and so it looks like it didn't update. I'm going to go back, see what exactly happened. Hit next. Maybe it just takes a minute for it to update itself. Boom. Nope, that's not it. There. Let me see what is taking so long. Workwithcorn.com. Okay, there it is. It just took a little bit of time. It took about a minute for it to update. And as you can see, it just changed the whole layout of my page. And as you can see here, it has your business verified tabs, privacy certified, security verified tabs, which I don't know. It may or may not make a difference. But as you can see, if you have different products, you can change the layout of these pages fairly easy and quickly. You just saw it took me about 5 minutes for this whole process to be done. And this is actually the easiest landing page creator that I've ever seen. You can get these pages up and running. So if you had a problem, if you knew a little bit about capture pages and maybe you're kind of looking for an ease of use service, you would have to agree that this service is the top notch as far as simplicity and ease of use is concerned. So yeah, so that was all I did. I just copied, pasted, and updated my page, and it's live. I can start capturing emails here, and it'll go right into my autoresponder. So another page, another option inside of the Big Idea Mastermind is the version 2. And I'm going to take you guys to another site of mine. This is publicmediasecrets.com. And this is, okay, so they've created a different style in the version 2 where the background pages, you can see it's got like pretty cool, nice and neat layout. It's got these boxes in the center, and it's just basically a more graphical interface that can get these that you can use to create your pages with. So I'm going to actually get out of here, and I'm going to go back into, so we're going to edit this page here, and you'll see how easy it is for, it's the same process. So if I go into version 2, create my landing pages, I'll go to my pages, and I will click on, see, that is Public Media Secrets here. So you click on your page. Now, so you can see this is exactly the same page that you guys just took a look at here. And I'm going to walk you guys through here real quick. So what we can do is we can change the background, all these different pictures. So as you can see, there's like so many different ways that you guys can go with this. Now, I look at these pictures in the background and settings tab, and I just see different niches. I see this is a really clean one. Maybe we'll try this one here. Palm trees, a beach. I mean, you can if you're promoting a health product, whatever product it is that you're promoting, there's so many different layouts that it's like endless. And you can also upload a picture of your own. So if you have a picture that you really like, that means something to you, you guys, or if it's a branding shot or something, you guys can use that and just upload it, and you guys will be able to have that as your background. But right now, I actually like this beach layout. So in this, I'm going to show you guys how simple it is to change it here. Okay, so subheadline would be free video reveals. So I'll just say free training, just to show you guys how you can update it here. Free training series. So we'll click on that. We'll go back to the headline. We'll change it to revealed. And as you can see here, this is a pretty, I haven't actually promoted this one very much, but learn how we pulled $320 cash in less than 1 hour yesterday. Now, again, your headlines, you want to have something that catches their attention. $320 cash in less than 1 hour yesterday is an attention grabber, because most people don't even make $320 in a day. So when they see $320 cash in less than 1 hour, they want to see this free training, this free video, and revealed. So we could change the color of it. Let's say I wanted to use, what's a good color? We'll just go to, let's use a red, okay. Change it to red. You can change the font, and you can change the size. So all you do is click preview, and you see how the background changed. That it really is that quick and that easy to get these pages up. You guys don't have to do there's no code here, and these pages are done. All you do is you go down to name and save, click save. It's saving the page. It's like the easiest thing I've ever actually figured out about making capture pages. And although you do have to pay to join the Big Idea Mastermind, it is well worth it to get this option to be able to create capture pages this easy, because it's like the cornerstone of you guys' online business. It's the third pillar that you guys need. If you guys don't have this, you're wasting your time online. You have to be able to create capture pages. No matter what it is that you're doing online, you want to capture your traffic, and then you want to automate the process. And it took me a while to find one that actually works, and it works every time. So I click refresh, and boom. It could be whatever it is that you guys want. You guys can put free dog training videos, that teaches your dog how to sit on command, how to not go to the bathroom in the middle of your living room, how to so whatever it is that you guys are selling, whatever product you're selling, you want to make these pages relevant in your content, and whatever it is that you're giving away, your ethical bribe to get their name and email address. It is that simple. There's really like, it took me 5 minutes to do this one. You guys were able to see over my shoulder here as I set these pages up, and you can just crank these things out. All you do is get your domain names, and obviously this video isn't about domain names, but you get your domain names and you get your hosting set up, which inside of the Big Idea Mastermind they explain the whole process, and you can start cranking these pages out. And using the other two pillars, there's just no way that you guys can fail. You get traffic to these pages, you set up your email autoresponder, you automate the whole process, and you guys are done. The whole process is done. Um, as you can see, it was that easy to to finish that. So anyway, just log out, and you guys are done. You guys have clean, nice, very, very attractive capture pages. And I will put a link under this video that'll actually show you guys how, or that'll actually let you guys get access. All you guys got to do is join. It's 25 bucks to join the Big Idea Mastermind, and all the training. It's actually a network marketing company where you guys can actually promote the Big Idea Mastermind and start earning commissions on these products. There's an ascension level. There's weekly trainings, and yeah, there's just a bunch of benefits of being a member of the Big Idea Mastermind. This being one of the main ones, and you guys can use it and start creating your own capture pages. So hope you guys enjoyed this training video, and I will see you guys in the next video on how to automate this whole process to where you guys are going to be making money while you're sleeping. All you do is get your traffic, you drive them to these capture pages, and then you automate the process so your email autoresponder does all the work for you, so you don't have to worry about following up with your leads and dealing with phone calls and the headaches of being tied down in your business. So